Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, the Redmi Turbo 3, packed with top-of-the-line features and powerful performance. A stunning device that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Redmi Turbo 3 delivers lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. Whether you're gaming or streaming videos, this phone can handle it all. With LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 flash memory, you can say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless app launches and data transfers. The Redmi Turbo 3 is all about speed. And if you're worried about the phone overheating during intense gaming sessions, don't be. It features a 4800mm Superscript 2i circulation cold pump, keeping your device cool even under heavy usage. Moving on to the display, the Redmi Turbo 3 boasts a stunning 6.67-inch OLED screen, with a resolution of 2712 by 1220 and a peak brightness of 2400 nit. Every detail comes to life. Gamers take note, this phone offers a 120Hz refresh rate for super smooth scrolling and an impressive 480Hz touch sampling rate. Say goodbye to input lag and welcome responsive gaming. Not only that, but the Redmi Turbo 3 also features a jaw-dropping 2160Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate. Your touches are instantly registered, giving you a competitive edge. Talk about the camera capabilities of the Redmi Turbo 3. On the front, we have a 20MP OV20B selfie camera, perfect for capturing stunning selfies. Flip the phone around, and you'll find a dual rear camera setup. The main camera is an impressive 50MP LYT600 lens, featuring optical image stabilization for clear and steady shots. Accompanying the main camera is an 8MP IMX355 ultra-wide-angle lens, capture breathtaking landscapes or fit in more friends for the perfect group photo. Powering all these features is a massive 5000 mAh battery. But what's even more impressive is the 90W fast charging capability. And despite its powerful internals, the Redmi Turbo 3 is incredibly slim, measuring just 7.8mm in thickness. Slip it into your pocket without any hassle. The Redmi Turbo 3 is available in 4 stunning colors: black crystal, green blade, ice titanium, and for all the Harry Potter fans out there, there's a special Harry Potter edition. That doesn't stop there, it also boasts an X-axis linear motor for realistic haptic feedback, air gestures for touchless control, NFC for easy mobile payments, and even an infrared remote control to control your household appliances. Not to mention, it's IP64 dustproof and waterproof, ensuring it stays protected in any environment. Plus, it supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4 for blazing fast connectivity. Let's talk about pricing. The Redmi Turbo 3 comes in different storage variants: 12GB plus 256GB $276, 12GB plus 512GB $319, 16GB plus 512GB $345, 16GB plus 1TB $385. That's a whole lot of smartphone for an affordable price. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.